What's going on, guys? So today I made $1,178 on the day. So let's go over exactly why I took the trade I did and how you can take the same similar trades in the future. Okay, so starting off, we'll go with bias. So coming into the day, I had a very bullish bias, and the reason being is because we have these 4 hour relatively equal highs. We have the Trump candle still intact, and what do we have? We have a 4 hour here, which also respects. So you can see this 4 hour candle here. We come down, respect that, and then we reject. So this is a clear sign of being bullish. We also respect here. Perfect. And we also have inversed this as well. So then we have the 2 hour time frame. So the 2 hour time frame, we have this 2 hour fair value gap here, which also aligns with a 1 hour. I only marked out the 1 hour because the 2 hour is less significant in my opinion than the 1 hour. So once I marked out the 1 hour, the only way I was looking for longs was after this data wick would be hit. And pre-market, we actually came down and took this data wick. So after taking this, we get that rally upwards. And what do we create? We create a 5 minute equal, we create 5 minute equal highs. Now this is such a strong draw, and I really like the look of this. So after we came back down and re-swept inside of this 30 minute and 1 hour gap, as you can see here, and we respected, I was looking to see price rip up to continue that bullish trend. I mean, on the 4 hour as well, we have this cluster of highs here, and obviously the Trump candle, which is such a strong draw. So looking for that, and obviously from that, we've also respected this weekly fair value gap. I know it seems far-fetched, but realistically, that is going to affect the market. So having this weekly fair value gap where we've pushed up from here, and then now we are respecting the higher time frame bullish price action is such an important thing to understand, because this can give you an easy bias to quickly understand where you think the market is going to go and be correct majority of the time. So we have the higher targets, so we have our bias as we're respecting bullish order flow. And what do we have? We have a 2 minute inversion. So the 2 minute inversion happens here. I'm going to get rid of a couple of these. So as you can see as well, there were actually some bearish fair value gaps here, but I was so bullish and we were respecting bullish PA that I was just happy to take longs while we were still inside of those. So the 2 minute, we get that inversion. I actually went break even here, and then I had my TP at the buy side, which was here. So this was this full trade. I didn't. I was thinking of potentially going for longer, and obviously we were coming up to the news drop, and there was a lot of news obviously with Trump speaking, which actually did worry me a little bit. But overall, was a really nice trade. And honestly, this 5 minute here, if you took this 15 minute gap with the 5 minute inversion, this was also valid. Like, in my opinion, this was such a great trade. We sweep, we create this 5 minute inversion, we still have the draws higher, and what do we also get? This 5 minute inversion here off the 15 minute fair value gap, and we actually fail that, which I think was around news actually. So that is not ideal, but I'm lucky that I took this trade in the morning. Early on in the session, because I was out for the rest of the session. So I only take one trade a day to keep my psychology in check. So yeah, overall, really clean day in my opinion. Well, the first half anyway, this half was pretty choppy. I think there was a 30-second short off here as well. I don't actually have 30 seconds, so I'm not going to get that. I'm not going to look at that. But overall, really nice day. I hope you guys did well, and if you have any questions, do drop them in the comment section, because I am more than happy to respond.